Hey guys, today we're going to be building something real exciting, and by real exciting I mean something I don't really know anything about. We're going to be making Dory, and we're going to be making Crush. A little while after everything is dremelled out, so now the headache of painting it starts, which I gotta kind of figure out what would be the sequence of my painting. And I used the small attachment for the Dremel instead of my usual one because I'm gonna try to just use the markers to paint all the black rather than the brush, because this is gonna be, with the brush, it's gonna take forever. So we're gonna try the markers, but got the main color on this. I mean, I just brushed it on and then I sprayed it black from the side, but let's start laying down some color. I needed to buy some, and sadly they don't have the screw-on lids anymore. Apparently COVID created a shortage for proper paint cans that I like to use. Alright, so here we are. All the colors have been laid down, so now all we gotta do is trim it. I used a very fine attachment on the Dremel to have the lines kind of barely visible, so this way this can get into it. If I use my normal lines, let me see, deeper Dremel lines like on this Volt Boy, that black marker struggles to get into it, and so then I have to go in with a brush. Well, with so many fine details, I'm not in the mood for the brush, honestly, especially like this stuff. Are you kidding me? I mean, this ones wouldn't be too bad, but look how thin all they are. And so doing it with a brush would be just a major pain, so we're gonna go with this and see how it goes. Fingers crossed, wish me luck. It's all finished, came out great. This definitely is a time saver. I mean, it's about probably 5 times faster than painting it, and it dries much quicker as well. I'm very happy with how it looks. I sprayed everything with black paint from the side so that the shadows are nice and clean. And then there's a mountain hardware and hook and little pads on the back so that it hangs more evenly from the wall. Push it back a little bit, there you go. And this is for comparison, so this is me hand painting over like deeper Dremel lines that I prefer, or used to prefer. Now though, I think I'm liking these are fine, and I mean it saves me hours and hours of time potentially painting in the future, so pretty exciting. But yeah, nice and easy project. Okay, not that easy, a little tedious, but came out great. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see what else we can build. Got some stuff to finish up over here. That is pretty cool. I mean, this duck must be, what, 4 feet away from me? Another one right there. The little baby ducks are all walking around there.